Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is PMS, subject Social Studies, grade 7, lecture number 34. Chapter number 9, the population of the Muslim world. Pages are 44 and 45. So open your books. Introduction. In the previous chapter on environment, you have learned about the correlation between the environment and population. You also know that population, environment, literacy, and healthcare are interrelated. Levels of population and problems of literacy, healthcare, social welfare benefits, and life expectancy too are all interlinked. Literacy. What is meant by literacy? Literacy means the ability to read and write. Usually people learn how to read and write at school. People who can read and write are called literate. Those who cannot are called illiterate. Who is a literate person? The definition of literate is someone who can read and write, or someone who is educated in a specific area of knowledge. Life expectancy. What is meant by life expectancy? The average period that a person may expect to live. Chapter number 9, the population of the Muslim world. Book page 44. Here you can see the population figure and literacy and life expectancy statistics. Statistic means adad or shumar of some of the major Islamic countries are given below. The countries are listed alphabetically. Here you can see the country names, population in millions, literacy rate about male and female. It is also in percentage wise. Life expectancy, you can also see life expectancy in year wise for male and for female. The country names are Afghanistan, Algeria, Bangladesh, Brunei, Egypt, Indonesia, Iran, Jordan, Libya, Malaysia, Morocco, Nigeria, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Sudan, Syria, Tunisia, Turkey, UAE. Do reading of the chart carefully and find out which countries has highest population, highest literacy rate for male and female, and highest life expectancy among these Muslim states. Look at and do reading of this chart carefully and thoroughly. Looking at these statistics mean Edado Shumar, do you think there is a connection between education and life expectancy? Life expectancy and education are linked as an educated person is expected to have greater awareness of health and hygiene. Lower literacy probably means that people do not read or understand the basic fundamentals of health, child rearing, and treatment of illnesses. Nigeria's low expectation of life is partly due to endemic HIV. The high scores for Malaysia, Indonesia, and Brunei are the result of prosperity and a good moderate government which sees the advantages of education. Why are countries with higher literacy levels more prosperous than one with low literacy rates? It is because education leads to progress and prosperity. How can we explain the high literacy rate of three Southeast Asian Islamic countries? The three Southeast Asian states are Brunei, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Industrially developed and economically strong, they have invested means sarmaya lagana in education and training of their people, increasing their opportunity for high incomes. Compare these with the statistics of three non-Muslim countries. There you can see chart for the non-Muslim countries. Countries names, its population in millions, literacy, and percentage wise for male and female, life expectancy in years for male and for female. Look at the countries China, Cuba, Brazil. These are non-Muslim states. So compare these statistics of the Muslim countries who have highest percentage in population, literacy rate, and life expectancy. The literacy rate of various countries tell us about their level of education. किसी मुल्क की तालीमी तरक्की का पता उसकी literacy rate से चलता है. Literacy and education are also affect industrial and economic growth of the nations. We can see that countries with higher literacy levels have strong economies and better standard of living. Other factors which influences mean asar dalna, the growth and development of a country is the life expectancy of its people. A longer lifespan means that people are in better health, and a healthy nation is generally a prosperous nation. Here are some facts about other countries of the Muslim world. Look at the chart. This is on page number 45. Azerbaijan, Kuwait, Somalia, Tajikistan, Kazakhstan, Yemen. There are also its capital names like Azerbaijan capital name is Baku, Kuwait, Somalia, Mogadishu, Tajikistan, Dushanbe, Kazakhstan, Almaty, Yemen, Sana'a. Azerbaijan, Tajikistan, and Kazakhstan once part of the Russian Federation. Now they are independent states. Study the figures. of the Muslim countries of Central Asia and some other Muslim countries, for example, Kuwait, Somalia, and Yemen. Azerbaijan, Tajikistan, and Kazakhstan have a very high literacy rate, almost 100%. Kuwait also has a high literacy rate, 94 for male and 91 for females, whereas Somalia 50% for male and 26% for female, and Yemen 70% for males and 30% for female have low literacy rates. Why do the Central Asian countries have a high literacy rate? They were the part of the Communist Russian Federation before their secession means separation, where education was a high priority. That is why Central Asian countries have a high literacy rate. The adult literacy rates in Afghanistan are the lowest figures recorded in the Muslim world. Now it's time to note your homework. Do reading of chapter number 9.